Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Daisy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize those cute $3 Christmas elves using vinyl, Cricut machine, Hiipoo mini heat press machine, and free templates that you may download from my blog. There you will find the elf box template, elf adoption certificate, elf skirts templates, and elves pictures in PNG format to make your own mockups or to make it easy for you to customize them on the Cricut Design Space program. Check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all the templates, fonts, and supplies used in this tutorial. And for this project, we're going to need any Cricut machine, a heat press or an iron. I am using the new Hiipoo mini heat press machine. This mini heat press machine is perfect to customize small items like these ones, or even bigger. I'm going to show you in a little bit. Also, we're going to need heat transfer vinyl or iron-on. I am using Hiipoo heat transfer vinyl. And if you like to make a custom skirt for the female elf, you will need a 10 by 10 piece of fabric. I am using 100% cotton. And don't forget the template. You may download that one from my blog. Find the link in the description down below. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing the notification bell. These are some examples of how you can personalize the $3 elves. I will open a new Canva to show you. And to make it easy to measure the text, I will insert the elf pictures to the Cricut canvas. Remember to download them from my blog if you wish. First, we're going to adjust the measurements. Make sure they measure 14 inches tall. After this, we can start typing the text. Click on the T and start typing on the canvas. Resize it and place it on the elf. I'm going to place it on the chest, and I'm going to change the color to white. These names or text can be cut with regular iron-on or with glitter iron-on. To change the font, click on Font, and if you pay the membership, you have access to all of the Cricut fonts. But if you don't, click on System, and there you're going to find the list of all the fonts downloaded on your computer. For this elf, I'm going to use the font called Africa. This one is from Creative Fabrica. If you like it, find the link in the video description down below. Resize it to your liking. I'm going to leave it like that. It measures 2 inches. Now I'm going to type the year. And I'm going to place it on the foot. I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to add a snowflake on the hat and on the other foot. And here is the first elf already personalized. This is just an example. You may personalize it to your liking. Same way, I'm going to personalize the female elf. And the name this time is going to go on the skirt. There it is. Now I'm going to add more text and place it on the chest. Here they are, both already personalized. You can add more details if you wish. For example, you can add glasses, or you can even place earrings on the female one. And now I'm going to show you how to make a custom skirt. This skirt is very easy to make. You don't need to sew it. Go to my blog and download the template. Then upload it to the Cricut Canva. There are 3 styles of skirts. Pick the one of your liking. Once in the canvas, click on Group, remove the watermark, and select the template that you wish to use. This first one is perfect if you wish to add your own details, for example, name or any other detail. I'm not going to use this one nor that one. I'm going to use the one that has the big snowflake. You don't have to resize it because it comes with the right measurements. Select it and click on Group. It has 2 layers. The green one is to be cut in iron-on, and the red one is for the fabric. If you wish, you may cut it using your Cricut Maker. I'm not going to cut the fabric using my Cricut Maker. I'm going to cut it with scissors. I'm going to show you in a little bit. Now it's time to cut the text and other details. First, I'm going to hide the pictures of the elves. Now let's go make it. Now this is very important. Every time we are cutting iron-on vinyl, we need to select mirror mode in all the layers. Click continue, and here we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, I'm going to select everyday iron-on because I'm cutting regular vinyl. If you are cutting vinyl with glitter, select glitter iron-on. And let's go to the machine. And here is the first elf that I'm going to personalize. Now to press the designs, we're going to use either a home iron or a mini heat press machine. I am using Hiipoo mini heat press machine. I like this mini heat press machine for this kind of projects. It has 3 temperature levels: blue, low temperature, green, medium, and the purple one is for high temperature. Find the link in the video description down below if you would like to know more about this Hiipoo mini heat press machine. It stopped blinking, now it's ready to be used. I'm going to start pressing. I'm going to press for 20 seconds at high temperature. And the first elf is ready. You can leave it like that or keep customizing. Later on, I'm going to place a small pom-pom on the hat. Now I'm going to keep customizing this female elf. I already placed earrings and snowflakes on the collar. I'm going to let it cool to remove the film. In the meantime, we're going to press the skirt. I'm still going to use the Hiipoo mini heat press machine, so you can see that you can even press bigger designs. Now we're going to cut the fabric. Like I mentioned before, you may cut the fabric using your Cricut maker. I prefer to cut it with scissors. Now we're going to put it on the elf using a hot glue gun. And here is the elf with her new skirt. I like these skirts because you can customize them to your liking. You can add the details that you wish. For example, this one has the name on it. So on the chest, you can put something else. These ones are examples of how you can customize these beautiful elves. For example, on this one, I'm going to place a pom-pom on the top of the hat. And here we have the beautiful elves already personalized. Don't forget to visit my blog to download all the free templates. Beside the skirt template, you may download the elf adoption certificate, the elf box template, and the elf's photos in PNG format to work with the design and to make your own mockups. If you would like to learn how to make this elf box, I'm going to link the tutorial in the video description down below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.